Expensify provides several straightforward ways to get your receipts into the system. The platform is designed for efficiency, and one of the most user-friendly methods for desktop users is directly related to digital files. Yes, Expensify absolutely offers a drag-and-drop feature for uploading receipts. When you are on the desktop web application, you can simply take a digital copy of your receipt, such as a PDF, JPEG, or PNG file, and literally drag it from its location on your computer directly into the designated area within the Expensify interface. This action instantly initiates the SmartScan process. SmartScan is Expensify's proprietary technology that reads the key details from your receipt image, such as the vendor, date, and amount, and automatically creates an expense line item for you. The drag-and-drop function eliminates the need to click multiple buttons to browse and select files, streamlining the process of getting your expenses logged and ready for reporting. It's a quick way to manage a few digital receipts you've saved on your desktop or in a download folder. Expensify focuses on making receipt management as fast as possible, and the ability to drag and drop is a core part of that commitment.